Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we will make something very classical for the Balkans. It is not only Bulgarian, it is I think also common in the Arabic kitchen, but it's very known in the Balkans, and this is Banitsa or Burek. I will not make it with white flour, I will make it with the so-called EINCORN. This is amazing, very old wheat. You can find it everywhere, nothing rare. It is Einkorn because it has only one corn. It can never be treated with chemicals because otherwise it will not grow properly. Very, very old wheat, and it is very delicious. Yes, it is not, doesn't have the gluten which the common wheat will have, but it is amazing, and you can make everything from Einkorn. It is not spelled, but looks like spelled. So I am grounding it myself because when you ground your wheat freshly, it has other qualities really, and it is certainly more nutritious. Now, so this is the flour. See, it's very, you don't have to grind it like me freshly. You can just buy it from the store. I simply don't have trust anymore in the things that I buy from the store. So our dough is very simple: water, salt, flour. Any flour. You can also use, of course, a white wheat flour, any flour. So I replaced the water with whey, not because I have to. I just have it, and I know it is nutritious. I don't want to throw this product away. I was making ricotta from fresh milk, and this is my whey, which is left over. So I will use it. You can really use water or milk, whatever you like. I have here approximately 1 kilo of flour. Approximately. You have three ingredients: salt, water, and flour. Nothing more. So I finished kneading the dough. You need this consistency, see? This is your consistency. So you let it rest for 20 minutes, and then we just cut it in equal parts. Now is the time to prepare the filling. I've got here homemade ricotta, only 3 eggs. You may add more. You may do any filling you like. So I do a little bit of ricotta. And I have white feta cheese. I don't measure. And a little bit of oil. This is sunflower oil. So this is your filling. I'm going to put some butter on the top, just a little bit.